everybody. So I'm just making a quick video to kind of let you all know that probably not going to be posting for a little while, mainly because of this. Not really able to go check my traps, nor is it really worth setting them. I have a heck of a drive just to get out there. And squirrel season's pretty much officially over. Trapping season's pretty much over. And with this weather that we can't seem to constantly be getting, we not sure what I can do moving forward. So in the meantime though, until the springtime and turkey hunting and fishing and camping and stuff comes into play, is there anything in particular you guys want to see? I mean, I have an Xbox, I have the game Hunter Call of the Wild, I could play that. I'm not going to stream it, but I could probably play that for a little bit and put that on here if you guys are interested. Or, I don't know, I'm hoping at some point I can take the kids sled riding. I'll definitely bring you guys along for that, but realistically, I'm just kind of curious what you guys want to see. Wanted to give you an update because it's probably going to be a little bit before I put another video out. We'll be doing some cooking stuff here, but beyond that, with everything going on, I don't know. We were supposed to be getting a lot of snow. However, I'm not sure if you guys can hear that, but that is not snow. That is definitely freezing rain, and not really looking forward to the next couple of days. So, I guess let me know if you guys want to see something in particular, and I will do so. I'm going to be giving periodic updates on the status of this snow. It's supposed to snow pretty much on and off all the way until midnight, so we could be looking at quite a bit here. So anyway, let me know if there's something you want to see me do in the meantime until the weather warms up and the springtime fun starts. Anyway, see you in a little bit. Alright everybody, well, this is the final total. As you can see, it's kind of rough. Just out here to clean off the cars, and I'd say probably 3 inches or so. Hopefully there's not too much ice on there and this will go pretty smoothly, but either way, stay tuned. Well everybody, it has been a couple hours since I shoveled everything off and cleaned off the cars. That was pretty exciting. Yeah, we're gonna go with exciting when that bird scared the crap out of me. But so essentially what I found with cleaning off the cars is as long as you can get the stuff off the windows, the cars essentially clean themselves. The sun will kind of do the rest. Same thing with the ground. So here is just kind of what it looks like when it's all said and done. That being said, that's going to pretty much do it for this particular video. So I hope you guys enjoyed that excitement and watching me clear off the cars. That being said, if there's anything else you would like to see on the channel, again, we're getting into that dead period of the year where there's really not a whole lot going on. So any advice or any suggestions you can make would be greatly appreciated. Probably a little bit later today, I'm actually going to be making some trail bologna. Pretty much the same process as the summer sausage though, so not sure how exciting that video is going to be. So that being said, thank you again for watching, and you have an absolutely wonderful rest of your day.